Get out of my show! What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Doing It with Jason. I'm Jason, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this bed frame for this really cool bed. So recently, I was asked to build a bed frame that would not touch the bed. As you can see right here, look at that bed. Look what it's doing. Frames can't touch that, so I made one that didn't touch it.
Can't touch this.
So I made this bed frame out of solid walnut and quarter sawn white oak. Two of my favorite woods. So sit back, recline, get a pillow. I'm going to show you how I made this thing from start to finish. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos or seeing my face, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell to get notified and give the video a thumbs up if you like it. And if you want one of these bed frames or any kind of cool furniture made especially for you, just let me know in the comment section below or send me an email. Boom, I'll make you one. I'll make a video on it.